Well, the starting quarterback of the University of Oklahoma is being investigated for betting on college football. It was reportedly discovered through his Venmo account. If you use the payment app, your information could be available for anyone to see as well. Our consumer technology reporter explains how it happens and the simple fix to protect your privacy.
Well, John Mateer is a quarterback for the Oklahoma Sooners, and someone found his Venmo account and saw that he had made some transactions for gambling on college football. The quarterback says it was all just a joke, but what isn't a joke is making your Venmo transactions available for anyone to see. When you send or receive money on Venmo, your payments might be on public display even to people not connected to you. That's because Venmo's default setting for transactions is public, meaning anyone can see the note you add, the person you're paying, and when it happened. Scammers watch these public feeds, and if they see someone paid for a manicure, they can impersonate them and send you a fake request for payment. They could also use the clues to spam you with offers, and they can see the transactions even if you're not connected. You can stop this with a quick settings change. In the Venmo app, tap Settings, then Privacy, and set your default audience to private, which means only you and the person you're paying will see the transaction. And while you're at it, hide your friends list and hide yourself from your friends list. Venmo says the setting is turned on by default because it's meant to be a social network for friends. There's no reason every time you use Venmo that everyone can see what you're paying for. Changing this one setting can keep those transactions private between you and the person you're paying and out of scammers' sites. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.